Want to change your replenishment box ship date or monthly frequency? Let's do it starting with choosing exactly when you want your peak hygiene product shipped to you. Want your box sooner? That's a quick change. First, log into your member account. Want your replenishments ASAP? Select the Ship Tomorrow button in the bottom right corner. Or select the exact date you want it shipped on. Click the pencil icon at the bottom of the page next to your current ship date and pick the date that works best for you. If the date you have set is too soon, you can easily skip it. Just click the three dots in the top right of your screen to activate the drop-down menu. Then simply navigate down to the Skip Shipment link and click. Or do you want to change how often your package is shipped? Just tap the three dots in the right corner to activate the drop-down menu and select the pencil icon to pick the frequency that best suits your grooming flow. You can adjust the frequency in 1-month increments up to 11 months. Oh, and one quick tip. Double-check your shipping address to make sure all your picks are going to the right place. For more tips on all things grooming, head to manscaped.com/account.